Hello everyone and welcome to Personal Tutor. My name is Rashi and today we will be continuing with our question number 1. We have already done 8 parts of question number 1, exercise 6.4, chapter number 6, squares and square roots, class 8. Alright, so let's continue with our question number 1, part 9, which is 576. Ninth part. Okay, 576. We have to find the square root by division method, or we can say long division method. So 576. So our first step in this method is to make bars and to make pairs, okay, and to draw bars. So we will start from the right. 76 is one pair, so one bar, and 5 is a single term, so one bar on 5 also. Now a perfect square number smaller than 5 is 4. So 2 2s are 4, 1 आ गया, 4 minus 5 minus 4 is 1, and 76 as it is. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we have to find this missing term, and for this term we have to check the unit place of this digit, this number, which is 6. So either the end term will be 4 or the end term will be 6. So either it will be 44 into 4 or it will be 46 into 6. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Now 4 4s are 16, 1 carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17, 176. So हमारा 176 आ गया 44 into 4 से. So 44 into 4 is 176. So we got our square root of 576. Square root of 576 is 24. This was part number 9. Now let's come to part number 10, which is 1024. Now 1024, we will make pairs. First pair is 24, second pair is 10. Alright, so 3 3s are 9. I think 9 is the nearest square of 10. 3 3s are 9, 124. Now 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we have to find this missing term, and for that we have to check the unit place of this term, which is 4. So either 2 will be coming at the end, or 6 will be coming. So 62 into 2, or 8 will be coming. 68 into 8. 8 8s are 64 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. So हमें 62 से ही मिल गया, तो 68 करने की तो नीड ही नहीं है. So 62 2s are 124. So we again got a perfect square root of 1024 as 32. This was 10th part. Now let's come to the 11th part. We have in total 12 parts in this question. 11th part is 3136. So 3136 is a number, and now we have to make pairs. 36 is one pair, 31 is one pair, and now 25 is the nearest perfect square. So 5 5s are 25. 31 minus 25 is 6. 31 minus 25 is 6, and 36 we have written as it is. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Now we have to find the missing term. Now here it is 6. So either it will be 4 or 6. 104 into 4 or 106 into 6. Okay? So 4 4s are 16, 4 0s are 0, and 4 1s are 4. 416 आया, but we want 636. So no, 104 into 4 is not applicable. 106 into 6 करते हैं. 6 6 are 36. 6 here, 3 carry. 6 0s is 0 plus 3 3. 6 1s are 6. So we got 636. Why 106 into 6 is 636. So the square root of 3136 is 56. Okay, this was our second last part. Now let's come to the last part of this question, 12th part, which is 900. Now 900 है, तो अब हम pairs बनाएंगे. That we will start making pairs from the right side. Now 0 0 का एक पेयर बन गया and one pair of 9. Now 9 is a perfect square number, तो हम इससे smaller नहीं ढूंढेंगे. अब 3 3 9 ले लेंगे. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गया 0. बाकी दोनों 0 भी हमने एज इट इज नीचे लिख लिए. बट अब ये 0 0 0 हो गया, रिमाइंडर 0 यहीं पे आ गया. बट अब इन दोनों इस एक पेयर का जो 0 है उसका एक 0 हम ऊपर भी लिखेंगे. ठीक है, बिकॉज ये हमने दोनों 0 नीचे निकाले, नीचे लिखे एंड दैट आर नॉट गोइंग विथ 3. ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल राइट 1 0 ऑन द टॉप. सो इट मीन्स दैट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 900 इज नथिंग बट 3030. Okay, this was our part number 12, the last part of question number 1. Now let's come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, find the number of digits in the square root find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers. Without actual calculation. First part is 64. Second part 144. Third part 4489. Fourth part is 27225. And fifth part is 390 625. Okay, so the question says find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following number. अब ये कुछ numbers हैं, इनके कुछ square root भी आएंगे and we have to find the number of digits in the square root of these numbers. Now what is the method to find the number of digits of the square root? Square root निकालने के लिए हम सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, बार्स लगाते हैं. ठीक है, सो इसके चिल्ड्रन 2 मेथड्स हैं. द फर्स्ट मेथड इज कि हम बार्स लगाते हैं एंड स्टार्ट करते हैं राइट से. ठीक है, सो हम बार्स लगाएंगे एंड जितने नंबर ऑफ बार्स लगेंगे एक नंबर में उतनी डिजिट्स आएंगी उसके स्क्वायर रूट में. ठीक है, दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट मेथड. आई वुड प्रेफर कि आप इसी मेथड से इसको करें, बट देयर इज वन मोर मेथड, मैं वो भी बता देती हूँ. नाउ फर्स्ट मेथड तो यही हो गया दैट यू हैव टू पुट दी बार्स, you have to tell कि how many bars are there. The number of bars will be equal to the number of digits in the square root of that number. Suppose the first part is 64 and 64 में only one bar we can put because 64 two terms है and pair बनाना है हमें. So it means that one digit will be there in the square root of this number. Now let's come to the second part. In second part 1 bar 44 पे and 1 bar on 1. So 2 bars, so 2 digits in the square root of this number. Okay. Third part again 2 bars, so 2 digits. Okay. This is the simplest method to solve this question. Now in fourth part 3 bars. 1 bar on 25, 1 bar on 72, 1 bar on 2. So 3 digits. So इसके square root में आएंगी 3 digits. Similarly, in this also 3 digits because 3 bars. 1 bar on 25, 1 bar on 06 and 1 bar on 39. So again 3 digits. Now the second method to solve this is we will count the number of digits in this number and if it is an even number, अगर even number में उनके numbers हैं जैसे ये है 2, 6, 4, 1 and 2 तो it means that even number में है तो n by 2 कर देंगे मतलब 2 by 2 कर देंगे और अगर odd number में है तो n plus 1 by 2 कर देंगे ठीक है. Let's see how. The first part is 64. अब 64 एक number है. Now how many digits are there in this number? 2. 1, 2. So it means it is even digits हैं इस number में ठीक है. 2 is a even number right? So हम इसको n by 2 करेंगे which means हम 2 by 2 करेंगे. So 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 digit ठीक है. Second part पे आते हैं. It is 144. अब इसमें कितनी digits हैं children? 1, 2, 3. अब 3 is odd number. So इसमें हम ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे n plus 1 by 2 which will give us 3 plus 1 by 2. So 4 by 2 which will give us 2 digits. Okay. Now third part we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is an even number. So n by 2. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 digits. Okay. Now fourth part. Let's count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is an odd number. So n plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. So 3 digits. Okay. Now last part. Let's count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 is an even number. So n by 2. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. So 3 digits. I hope now this concept is clear to you. I am repeating that the first method which I told you bars लगा के check करना that is the simplest method in this question. So but still remember this formula also. ठीक है ये formula याद तो रखना but जब करने की बारी आए तो always try to do with that bar method. ठीक है. So this was question number 2. Now children, let's come to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is again find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Now we are given some decimal numbers. So first part is 2.56. Okay. So now we have to find the square root. So let's write the squares of 1 to 10. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 3 3s are 9, 4 square is 4 4s are 16, 5 square is 5 5s are 25, 6 square is 6 into 6 36, 7 square is 7 into 7 49, 8 square is 8 into 8 64, 9 square is 9 into 9 81 and 10 square is 10 into 10 100. So now first step is start making pairs. 56 is one pair and 2 is single pair. Also I told you that कभी भी ऐसे हम इसमें बार नहीं लगा सकते. तो 69 वन पेयर हो गया और 25 वन पेयर हो गया। ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, बार को सेपरेट, डेसिमल को सेपरेट रखना है, ठीक है। कभी भी ऐसे डेसिमल को बीच में लेके बार नहीं लगाना। सो नाउ 2 वी नो दैट 1 वन सा 1 ही हो सकता है इधर, बिकॉज 2 से स्मॉलर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर 1 ही होता है। सो 1 वन सा 1, 1 इज 1, पॉइंट ऊपर आ जाएगा यहाँ से हटके, एंड 56, तो 156 रह गया, एंड 1 + 1 इज 2। अब यहाँ पे पॉइंट है, ठीक है। We have to find this missing number, and for that we will see this number. This is 6. So either the ending will be on 4 or the ending will be on 6. So either it will be 24 into 4 or 26 into 6. So 4 4 is 16, 1 carry, 4 2 is 6 plus 1 7. इससे तो नहीं आया. Now let's check with 26 into 6. 6 6 is 36, 3 carry, 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. आ गया 156. So it means that 26 6 is 156, and the square root of 2.56 is 1.6. So this was our first part. Now let's come to the second part. Second part is 7.29. So 7.29, start making bars, start making pairs. 29 is one pair, 7 is separate. So for 7, the smallest perfect square number is 4. So 2 into 2 is 4. 323 बचा, ठीक है। 7 minus 4 is 3. Point as it is ऊपर आ जाएगा, so 29. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we have to find the missing one. So here we have 9, and 9 means either it will be 3 or it will be 7. So 43 into 3 or 47 into 7. 43 into 3 कर लेते हैं. 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12. नहीं आया इससे आंसर. So 47 into 7 करते हैं. 7 7 is 49. 4 carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. We got 329 by 47 into 7. 329. So remainder is 0. Now we can write the square root of 7.29. 7.29 as 2.7. So 2.7 is the square root of 729. This was second part. So children, from third part we will continue in our next video. So stay tuned and practice all the questions, especially the long division method. And please like and share this video. Thank you.